So these grab and go centers are up and running and they are bustling. If you have an opportunity and you can get out to one of these sites, they're all across our city. Bring a bag if you can so that you can pack up for today, tomorrow, and Wednesday, because these won't be open until this Thursday, and get some food for the week. It looks good. Everyone is in such great spirits. We're taking care of each other. This is the Oakland way. Be well. What's good, Oakland? The answer to that question is not much. I get it. Things are changing. Times are a little strange right now. But if you look hard enough, there are some pretty good things that are still happening for our city and across our schools. I'm here to talk very briefly about something we have going around at multiple sites, 12 sites to be exact, that can offer you and your family some relief if you're looking for some grub to keep you full and eating throughout the break. So let's go ahead and check out what that looks like at any of our grab and go sites. You can go here, grab some food, get home. All right, let's check it out. You can go to any of our sites as long as you're 18 and under and get some hot food and cold food that you can use throughout the week, today, tomorrow, Wednesday, until our next time, which is Thursday from 8 to 12. I'm gonna introduce you to our friend right here, Olga. Olga, can I borrow you for a second?
Yes.
This is Olga, and
Hi.
she's working at the Elmhurst site. And she's going to tell us a little bit about what you can expect when you get to a location. So a family gets here, what do?
Okay, just coming. This is the first line. To come,
Okay.
grab lunch, depend of the kids who you have it, in breakfast, fruit, and milk. And
Okay.
the last, I give you a bag of lunch, a food bank for each family. You can grab.
And this is at any of our sites. Grab and go sites, you can come get food.
Yes.
And then you can grab something from the food bank.
Yes.
Does everybody from your family have to be here?
No, only that. You can come in with your kids or you can come to yourself. I trust you.
Perfect. You heard it from
Only
Olga.
kids under 18 years qualify for pick-up free lunch.
Okay.
And free breakfast.
Can you tell us what we have today? What are we looking at over
I
here?
have grilled chicken sandwiches. It's very delicious.
Ooh,
I have
okay.
apple fritters. I have bagels. Croissant. This is a croissant.
Okay, all right.
Okay. And, apples, milk. Every Monday and Thursday is something different. Not the same.
Okay, excellent.
Yes.
You heard it here. This food is popular. It tastes very delicious. Come on out to any one of our sites. Meet Olga.
And
She's here at
everything
the
is
Elmhurst site.
good quality too.
And we'll see you soon. Stay safe.
Okay.
We love
Bye.
you. So here are some beautiful people from all across the city. I'm going to have them introduce themselves real quick. And this is what it takes to bring great nutrition and make sure that families are, well fed throughout the break. So if we could just start over here, you can say what school you represent.
Oh, I'm Elmhurst, and my name is Cecilia. She's the cook.
Brenda, New Highland.
Carol, Elmhurst.
Shayla, Acorn Woodland Elementary.
Olga Elmhurst.
Traveling Elmhurst.
Donald, Acorn Woodland.
Kevin, New Highland.
So these are just some of the heroes who are all across our city at our grab and go sites. Come and see them. They've got some great energy and some great food that you can take with you. We'll see you. Stay safe, everybody. Pop this in the microwave for a minute just to see what it tastes like. Okay. Put some sriracha on this thing, or tapatio. Got a winner. Till next time, we love you guys. Peace.